Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel once again. And here in this video, let us look at some of the applications of data science. It is important to note that data science itself is not an independent domain. It is the oil that fuels almost every domain. You can apply data science to any field, which gives it an upper hand on any other study domain. There is no area that do not generate or use data. Therefore, we can apply the concepts of data science and predictive analysis to almost every area of a study that is involving data. Industries like agriculture, health, retail, communication and banking, energy, government and budget. And one of the most important thing to note here is all the techniques data scientists use in one industry can be easily applied to another. Let me now show you few examples where data science is used to improve the overall working of these types of industries and help in increase their businesses. Netflix is a platform that make use of one of the best recommendation systems in the world. For example, in case of Netflix, if you watch a movie, they will start recommending you the same kind of movies. Now, how they do this? They have an algorithm that studies your behavior and then recommend you movies according to that. For that, they make use of data science. They study the movies you click on, and after that, they recommend you the movies of the same genre. Now, this is one of the bestest example of utilizing data science in a platform like Netflix. The same system works with Amazon. If you search for a mobile phone, they will start recommending you phones, hoping that you shall be convinced to buy some. Another example is of Facebook. If you go to Facebook, they will recommend you the people you may know. They find mutual friends and recommend you to add them as friends. That's why the data science is so much demand even in the social media platforms like Facebook. Even a similar thing works with YouTube. If you click on a video on data science, YouTube will start recommending you videos on the same. So, this kind of work is done by data scientists and even with the help of machine learning engineers. Another example of making use of data science is Tesla. Tesla's self-driving car is a game changer in automobile industry. Tesla can move itself without actually having a person driving it in real. This was made possible by techniques called computer vision, deep learning, and of course data science. Here, humongous amount of videos of self-driving cars is used to make softwares to make decisions as you do while driving a car. That is, if you want to go right or left or even you want to turn, alongside with object identification and traffic rules understanding. That is one of the best example of data science. So, the person who does data science as work is known as a data scientist, and his work varies from companies to company. So, what are the various career opportunities in data science? So, you can work as a data science manager. A data science manager, just like any other manager, is responsible and to some extent accountable for the accomplishment of a specific data related task by building the required data science team and motivating the members well enough to achieve their intended purpose. You can also work as a data analyst. This was discussed in the previous videos as well. A data analyst gather data from various sources, analyze, interpret, and turns it into information, and draws patterns and trends which can offer ways to make informed business decisions. You can work as a machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers are people who can apply programming skills intelligently to machines and systems and make them learn and apply knowledge. These are people who create data products and make data science work in production. Machine learning engineers mostly build machine learning models using various machine learning algorithms and deep learning frameworks.
Again, we studied it in our previous videos. Data engineers at its core is the data professional who involved in the preparation of data infrastructure to be analyzed by a data scientist. They mostly work with big data applications.
You can also work as a big data engineer. Big data engineer at most of the time is involved in the decision of big data solutions such as developing, maintaining, testing and evaluating big data solutions with an organization. He or she has the potential to deal with the real-time data streams. You can work as a natural language processing engineer. NLP is broadly defined as the automatic manipulation of natural language like speech and text by software. Natural language processing engineers are responsible for interaction between everyday human language and computers' ability to process and analyze this natural language. You can also work as a computer vision engineer. Computer vision is an interdisciplinary scientific field that deals with how computers can gain high level understanding from digital images or videos. A computer vision engineer's purpose is to help computers see through the use of deep or machine learning in code. They normally works on images and videos. Now, one of the most encouraging thing of any profession is the amount of money you make through it. So let us now discuss the typical salary of a data scientist. Here, I shall be considering United States as a standard. In US, the beginner level is around $90,000 per annum. If you have an experience of 3 to 5 years, then it can be around $100,000 per annum, which is a handsome amount of money. But if you have an experience of 7 to 15 years, you can earn in the range of 150 to $250,000. With an experience of 20 plus years, your salary can go up to $250,000 per annum. And again, for management positions, the salary can range up to $400,000, which is again a very, very good amount in order to encourage yourself to be a data scientist. Now, with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope by the end, the applications, the working positions, and the salary structure of a data scientist will be clear to you all. I hope you understand it pretty well. And for more such informative videos, stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.